Kuna mtu anatupiga video, nilikuwa nakwambia utulize hapo. Good morning. We are live in Mboni. Early morning. Early morning. Look at Mboni. The climate is super cool. So you can see I'm trying to prepare the shamba. We are expecting heavy downpour this season. Meteorological department has warned us about the possibility of El Nino, and I'm trying to catch with met people so that I may prepare well this season. I'm expecting to make 100 banks of maize. Yes, last season I didn't do well because the rain also failed us. We timed so badly, so we didn't achieve a lot. This season we are very much prepared, and we want to prepare thoroughly so that we may have a bumper harvest the coming season. Many times, many people miscalculate their timing, and when we rely on them, sometimes we get frustrated because the information are not as accurate as it used to be a long time ago. But all along, we say, do your part, leave the other part to God. So, on my side, I'm doing my best to make sure I reap the maximum harvest. This is a new shamba. I'm trying to make it from here. I'm doing it parallel to the others because this place has never been cultivated. I expect it to be very fertile and expect to add more on my normal basket. So guys, let me see your comment on this and give me advice where you can so that I may improve and work on. Wow, things are doing well. Things are doing well. Things are doing well. Things are working so wonderful. So wonderful. Oh yes. Ah, yes. I feel so good when I'm in up country because I I walk, I refresh my mind, I feel re-energized. All right.